Hello peeps and welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is we're going to do this. So, dead cheap mod, but it looks dead effective. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So come on, let's go get on with it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect these floor lights that are going to be down here. And we're going to connect them up to the door lights, basically. The LEDs from up here. So we're going to need to take this off. And we're going to need to route the wires down here. So we'll take this off all the way down there. Down to the floor. Into the first light. Across the back of the console. And out into that floor pan as well. So let's get taking the car apart. Woohoo! Okay, so first things first, we've popped this one out. Dead easy to pop out that. And we have a positive and a negative. So we're going to tap into these two and send it along and down. And we'll go from there. Let's get busy. So again, same procedure, we've got to pop this. We've got to pop this out. Where's my tool? So let's get the tool in there. Get the first pop on the go. We basically want to have a pop at the top. That's it. And then we need to pop at the bottom. There should be two pops at the bottom. Just to make sure the clips are out. Once they're out, we basically want to pull up out of the way, because this clip at the top is not meant to come off. If it'll focus, there we go. There's a clip at the top here which does pop, but then it's supposed to be slid out. So we're going to try and pull it out now. Let's see if we've got it right. If we've got the bottom ones off, it should just pull straight out. Bear with me. Boom. So it slides off. So like I said before, the top one is just a pull, and then you slide off. So it's not supposed to, that one's not supposed to come off, it's supposed to stay where it is. So don't try and pull it off, because you'll snap it. So there you go. Once you got your little pillar off, then we can go about routing some wiring. So let's where are we? We'll get this little end and we'll trace it along here and down here. So I'll just get that started. Okay, as you can see, we've run it in there, run it all along there, and we're coming down, and we're going to go disappearing down there, and hopefully come out on the floor well. So let's get that in. Okay, so we've got to go behind there. We've got to get the glove box off. So open your glove box, undo that one, undo that one. So basically, once you've undo them two screws, and then it literally just get it from underneath at the back, pull it towards you, be very careful, it just pops out. Obviously you'll need to disconnect that to let it lie down. So now we have full access to the back now, so we'll just trace these wires down and get on with it. Okay, so we've got to trace it all the way down into there and down the back, and then as you can see, you just reach your hand round back there and up there, you'll feel the wires, and then just pull them through. Okay, wiring's in. We've just test fitted it to make sure that the bulb worked, and the bulb's working. So from what I can see on here, we've got to connect the positive to this little bar here with some solder. Hopefully it'll take. And then the negative to that little hole there. So I might need to burn that out a bit just to make it a bit more exposed, so we can get a wire onto it and solder that. These two wires are just for the on and off switch, so it's just an on and off. It's not controlling the lights, if you know what I mean. And I did a configuration with the socket, but I couldn't find it to work for some reason. So yeah, for now, bit of a hodgepodge job, but as long as it works, jobs are good. So we'll get on with trying to solder these two. Or these two, should I say. Pointing on the phone there, daft ass. Right, let's get soldering iron out. Okay, so this is what we've done. Come on, focus. There we go. So, positive, negative, soldered on. Not the best of jobs, but it's sticking, that's the main thing. And the temporary bulb is temporarily hooked up. And if we turn it on from here, focus. Don't like focusing this thing, does it? Oh, right, focus. Right, so we turn it on. Voila! It's all working. So, off, on. The door is open, obviously. Give it a second. It should go off. There we go. Bang tidy. Right, let's just we'll refit this back up with the wiring out the way, and then we'll get busy locating these two bulbs. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I've hot glued it. Although hot glue is pretty poo. So I'm going to redo that and try and get it to be staying there. And I've routed the wires there, ready to go through there to the other side. Just about to solder them up. Right, we've shrink wrapped the joints. He says, with no focus. We're going to shrink wrap these and then move on to the other side. That's that, all nicely shrink wrapped. Shrink wrapped even. Come on, focus. Yay! There it is. Right, so yeah, that's all shrink wrapped. Let's go to the other side now. Okay, we're just temporarily checking. Make sure the wiring is the right way around. Oh yeah. So we're all good. Now the looks of it. So yep, good to go. So we'll just trim the wiring down, place this where we want it, and job should be done. Okay. I've glue gun this one to this. It's like a crash bar or whatever it is. So I've glued it to there, out of the way of the pedals. Fingers crossed this one will stick. Right, let's wire her up. Okay, that's this one wired up now. As you can see, the hot glue didn't even work at all, which is annoying. But we've done the shrink wrapping now, so jobs are good. Right, let's place them up. Always make sure it works, shall we? Let's do that. Otherwise, pointless. Oh, where are we? That one's on. That one isn't. Now then, why is that the case? We ask. I definitely hooked it up right. I spin the bulb. Ta-da! Spin the ball round. Must have took it out. Anyway, that's that done. Let's place it. Okay guys, that's the full install. She's all plumbed in. And it all works off the one side, because that's where I've plumbed it into. So when I turn that on, they come on. So turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, open the door. Oh yes. We'll get some more night shots, because that's when it's going to show. You can't really see it during the day. But the main thing is, if these are not bright enough, then the wiring's in ready to get something a bit brighter. Oh, I better stick that back on. Right, I'll give you the night shots in a minute. Or should I say, now.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up, you gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down. Down, 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 down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. 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 Say goodbye to the fear inside. Speak out, girl, no one can shut you down. Try and make you feel out of place. Don't you let them. You gotta speak up, you gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You need a man to keep you down. Down. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
Right, just waiting for Jack. We're just going to have there's a little car meet going on apparently, so I thought I'd tag this on to the end of the vid. So come with us and we'll see who turns up in shit. So let's get busy, get tunes going. Woohoo!
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes
video. I've just realised that I didn't at all show you the types of bulbs I was using, which is really irritating. So I will tell you. I used side light bulbs. I think they were T10s. I'll put a link in the description because I got them off eBay, and a link to the side light holders that I used. Other than that, yeah, I think it looks well. Don't know what you think. Make a comment in the comments section about it if you wish. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for any future videos. And if you like the video, hit the likey. If you disliked it, hit the dislikey. And share it about, please, if you could, so we can grow the channel a bit bigger. We're nearly at 500 now, so so yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers for all of my already keen subscribers, and we'll get some more vids coming. Like I said, there is a bigger vid coming, but I've not filmed it yet because obviously it's a big one. It's probably going to happen in a couple of months, that though, because I need the coin for it and I haven't quite got it just yet. But we're getting there, we'll sort it out. Right, so until next time, take it easy and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.